Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm bringing a unique vision to life, building a perpetual energy generator entirely from recycled parts. Specifically, I'll be repurposing magnets from broken speakers and a rotor from an old refrigerator compressor. Stay tuned as we journey through the process of turning scrap into a functional power source. First things first, I'm going to disassemble the broken speakers to extract their most valuable part, the permanent magnets. I'll be strictly focused on harvesting these magnets, discarding the rest to prepare the core power source for our generator. Moving forward, I'm going to disassemble the mini diaphragm pump. This step requires some precision handling to extract the internal mechanism, which will serve as the pivotal component for converting magnetic force into power. This next step requires a steady hand. I'm going to mount 3 small-sized magnets onto the mini diaphragm's rotor that we just extracted. Proper alignment is essential here to generate a stable magnetic vortex, ensuring the system operates with maximum smoothness. Next up, I'm going to secure the large-scale magnet directly onto the wooden base. This will act as a solid magnetic anchor, serving as the core foundation to generate powerful repulsion for our entire power system. Following that, I'll place the rotor assembly directly above the main magnet. Watch closely as the magnetic field interaction takes effect, establishing a state of dynamic equilibrium that allows the rotor to spin freely with minimal friction. Next, I'll position the rotor, the one with the 3 small magnets, directly opposite the large main magnet. This alignment is designed to create a continuous magnetic repulsion, which serves as the driving force to maintain the machine's perpetual motion. Next, I will move on to designing the power output system. This is the stage where we harness and regulate the electric current, converting the magnetic motion into tangible energy that can be used for our electrical appliances. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.